Our major spring storm continues across the central U.S. We're dealing with heavy snow and blizzard conditions, as well as continued severe threat right into this upcoming weekend. And it's pretty interesting. Anytime you see spring storms on temperature maps, you can see how interesting they are, really. Warm air lifting out ahead of that, colder air diving behind that, and a very tight temperature gradient. We get those two air masses colliding. You have a lot of interesting things happening, as I mentioned. So the tight counterclockwise circulation moving out into the plains. The storm bombed out, which the central pressure dropped at least 24 millibars in that 24-hour time span. That occurred yesterday out on the front range of the Rockies. Here is Minneapolis dealing with some heavy snow late yesterday and overnight. We still will pick up some additional snow, but now getting into more of a mix. Your heaviest snow into South Dakota and central Minnesota. Double-digit tallies expected. Some very strong winds, 40, 50, 60-mile-per-hour winds. So from just west of Minneapolis all the way to Colorado, blizzard warnings in place, but those winter weather headlines stretch all the way to the Great Lakes. And on the south side of that, heavy rain, some thunderstorms as well. We had some very strong winds yesterday, 60-plus mile-per-hour gusts out in Amarillo. Still gusty today, but the wind advisories and high wind warnings shifting east. Red flag warnings continue with critical fire weather today and tomorrow across West Texas, but there's the severe threat today, tomorrow, and also into this weekend. Have a good one.